This is a quick demo on how you can install uBlock Origin Chrome extension to block the origin checks from some websites like Walmart and others. So I'm using this. I have imported, I clicked on new project and then import project, and I imported the Walmart Scrap TV category. And before I use it, what I have to do is that I can go to the profiles right here. And then for this specific profile of the Walmart Scrap category products TV, I'm going to launch here and I'm going to click on link account. And I will just Google uBlock Origin, the Chrome extension here. You can see it's on Chrome Store. Then I click on it. I click add to Chrome, add extension, I confirm. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Yes, and make sure that it is installed by clicking right here, and then you can see here that it is running. Yeah, so let's close the profile and let's reopen it again just to double check that the extension is indeed active and there. So I'll go back to extension, uBlock, and you can see here it already blocked 9 requests from Google, 9 origin requests from Google. So if I go to walmart.com for this TV, for example, and I look again, uBlock blocked another 5, and in total blocked 17 queries. So it seems to be working, and now I can go ahead and launch my Walmart project without suffering the reCaptcha and other security measures. Thank you.